Good morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the pound-dollar pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The oil got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Oil prices slipped on Friday and were flat on the week, as the possibility of a ceasefire in Gaza weakened crude benchmarks, while the war in Europe and shrinking US rig count cushioned the fall. China has introduced guidelines to phase out US microprocessors from Intel and AMD from government PCs and servers. The procurement guidance also seeks to sideline Microsoft's Windows operating system and foreign-made database software in favor of domestic options. The S&P 500 ended little changed on Friday, but the index registered its biggest weekly percentage gain of 2024 after the Federal Reserve this week stuck with projections for 3 interest rate cuts by year's end.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US new home sales at 1400 hours GMT. The Irish consumer confidence at 0000 hours and 1 minute GMT. The Dutch gross domestic product will be released at 0530 GMT. Japan's coincident index at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.